Here's a large children's antique pine wardrobe dating from about 1900. So this totally dismantles for delivery, so it will go up any stairway, and I can come and deliver it and put it together for you personally. Got some nice detail in the corners. Really nice condition. And why we call it a children's wardrobe is because it's quite shallow. So it's only 17 inches internally, in the internal depth, 17 inches. That's the depth from the back to back of the wardrobe to the front, the inside of the door there, 17 inches. So it's not deep enough for suits and coats and things like that. Could be okay for shirts. So if you just wanted a wardrobe for t-shirts and other small shirts, then that would be fine. But that's why we've classified it as a children's wardrobe. So it totally dismantles for delivery, as I've said. And the code number is Y5705D. The price is 700 as it is. It'll be 787 if you'd like us to wax it for you. The height is 71 inches. The width at the widest point is 52. The depth at the deepest point is 22.5. The internal depth, 17 inches.